Welcome to the course called Chemistry 1, which is a mini NPTEL online course of about 20 hours. The topics to be covered are introductory quantum chemistry and molecular spectroscopy. This is in the format of the massive open online course, but done by the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning NPTEL, and therefore it is an NPTEL online course, or NOC as we call them. My name is Mangala Sunder Krishnan. I am from the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Chennai, and I am a professor of chemistry here. This is an introductory course, very brief introduction to the principles of quantum chemistry and molecular spectroscopy. As the title says, it is meant for students who are entering colleges and who are probably in some chemistry program or physics programs, where taking a basic course in chemistry on the atomic structure and atomic spectra, molecular spectra, etc. are compulsory for them. This course deals primarily non-mathematically the aspects of quantum chemistry that are relevant to the subject, to the understanding of the atomic nature of the atoms and the molecules. We will not discuss anything about the molecular processes or chemical bonding, that will be a separate course, but here primarily what we would do is to concentrate on the introduction of Schrodinger equation, time independent Schrodinger equation, and will solve a few elementary model problems. Somewhat, the mathematics will be minimal, but whatever is necessary will be discussed in the course. The elementary models that we will deal with are the particles in a box model, one dimensional and three dimensional, multidimensional, an account of one dimensional harmonic oscillator, which will be relevant to the understanding of molecular vibrations of a diatomic molecule. We will also see the hydrogen atom, and to the extent possible I would try to animate and visualize the angular distributions, the radial distribution, and the properties of the electron in the hydrogen atom in terms of quantum levels, in terms of the properties of the electrons and the radius, the average values, the probabilities, things which are normally introduced in the first course on quantum mechanics, but we will do it from the principles of, from the fundamental point of view, from the point of view of chemistry, not just mathematics. The course also has a small component of about 3 weeks or so introducing molecular spectroscopy, and in molecular spectroscopy, we will address the questions why we have to study molecular systems, what are the various properties that we can understand, and what are the methods through which we can do. Even though I won't tell much about the details of the methods, I would introduce you to that. So at the end of this course, I hope you will have the confidence and also the willingness to look further into the course on learning in a more detailed manner the principles of physical chemistry, the principles of the atomic and molecular nature through quantum mechanics, and to study chemical bonding. I hope this course will excite you in terms of some of the animations that are unique to this course. I am sure you have seen some of these things earlier, but I would like to introduce them in my own way and would like to lead you to have a better feel for the whole course. Enjoy, and you are most welcome to participate in the discussion forums, and I urge you to do all the problems and quizzes that we post from time to time. I have two wonderful associates with me who are the teaching assistants who take the role of teaching assistants in the course. I have one Mr. Sangeet Das, who was our master's student till last year, and this year graduation he graduated from the institute, and I have a PhD scholar with me, Mohan Pedireddy, who is learning theoretical methods and who is also helping me to understand some of the things in molecular spectra. They both would be the teaching assistants and mentors and also helpers throughout the course. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them, raise them in the forum. Please feel free to answer the assignments and problems in your own way and let others discuss. I hope to be with you throughout the course and enjoy and learn from you also what are methods and better ways of teaching and learning. All the best, and we look forward to seeing you from the next month when the course is about to start. Until then, thank you.